Your LifeSure Premium Mobile Plus device will arrive just a few days after you place your order. Here's what you'll find in the box. The first thing you'll see is a card. Flip it over, and you'll find a referral form that could qualify you for a free month of monitoring. Next, there is a quick start guide to help you set up your device easily. We've also included free accessories like stickers, silicone bracelet, or a keychain, so you can proudly show that you're part of a LifeAssure family. Now, onto the most important part, your device. It comes with a comfortable lanyard and a belt clip, so you can wear it however you prefer while staying safe. To keep your device powered, we've included a charging cradle, a USB cord, and a power adapter. Charging is simple. Just place the device in a cradle, and you'll see a light indicating it's charging. You also have the option to upgrade with a medical logbox, which helps paramedics access your home quickly in an emergency without causing damage. Just open the logbox, put your spare key inside, and place it securely on your door. Ordering is easy. Simply visit our website, select your device, and place your order. Your device will be delivered within a few business days, ensuring your safety as soon as possible. Need assistance? Our seniors advocates are ready to help. Just call our helpline